Juan Bagnell here for Pocketnow, and what's the deal with the Essential Phone? We can finally cut through all the rumors as the father of Android, Andy Rubin, has taken the wraps off of his latest smartphone endeavor. For those of you not up on your smartphone history, maybe you're wondering why we're also interested in what this individual might have to say about smartphones. Andy Rubin is a pretty well-accomplished dude when it comes to making mobile devices. He got his start as a robotics engineer for Carl Zeiss, then moved to Apple, and then co-founded Danger, and then co-founded Android before Google bought it out. If anyone deserves some coverage for launching a new flagship phone in the year 2017, it's Andy Rubin. But moving on to the phone, this looks like we're going to get a pretty well-spec'd flagship phone for 2017. We've got that Qualcomm 835, we've got 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage. Increasingly important for a premier handset, we also have that near bezel-less design, the screen curving into the corners, and what's going to be really interesting is to see how they handle the front-facing camera module, which is built into the front screen. That could prove to be a pretty smart place to put a camera, as it's only really going to interrupt a small piece of your notification tray. And that front shooter is going to be an 8-megapixel sensor capable of shooting UHD video. Moving to the rear of the phone, we are going to get dual cameras in an experiment very similar to what Huawei's doing with Leica. One picks up color information, the other is going to shoot monochrome, then those two images are smashed together to give you more clarity and contrast. What I'm really excited to see is a change of materials for a premium handset. The last couple phone generations, we've looked to glass to say a phone is high quality or a flagship device. Essential Phone is going to be built out of a combination of titanium and ceramic, a nice little step up over aluminum and glass, so hopefully it'll prove to be more durable while still providing us the ability to do things like wirelessly charge. Definitely a bummer for some of the folks in our audience. Essential Phone is not going to have a 3.5mm headset jack. We're going to have to pick up some speed on USB audio accessories. But in lieu of that standard audio connector, we are going to be getting some magnetic connectors that will provide modular style features for this phone. The first accessory shown is a 360-degree camera which clips to the top of the phone. Not dissimilar from what Motorola is doing with Moto Mods, and I'm pretty sure you won't have to reboot the phone every time you pop an accessory off. The big question there is whether anyone can really build an ecosystem of accessories to really support the idea of modular phone design. Thankfully, it's looking like one rumor was completely false, that Andy Rubin might have been working on some new operating system. Essential Phone looks to be running a build of Android, which is very good news for support. It would have been exceedingly difficult to break into this market with a new operating system not having developers on board and charging a premium price tag. For cutting edge specs and some flashy design accents, price is going to start at $699, putting it right in line with other flagship phones. We don't yet have shipping information, but we can expect this phone to start popping up in people's hands in the next couple months. The internet has been a buzz, and we're all excited to see more competition in this market. And of course, we want to hear from you. Is Essential Phone going to be your next phone purchase? Does Andy Rubin have the cred to pull you away from a manufacturer you might currently enjoy? Drop us a comment down below this video. Let's get into a good chat. As always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these and help us out with some sharing on your favorite social networks. For Pocketnow, I'm Juan Bagnell, some gadget guy on Twitter and Instagram, and I will catch you all on the next video.